Elon Musk and cryptocurrencies are a match made in heaven, and having the power which can change the entire crypto world upside down, everyone wants to be on Team Musk. Recently, the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, has revealed he believes Tesla should start accepting ADA payments, as it is one of the greenest cryptocurrencies on the space, if it cares about environmental sustainability. So, if Elon Musk chooses ADA to replace Bitcoin, this could be a big win for Cardano and its investors, seeing it will surely result in a major price surge. But how can this happen? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Meister, where we tell you all the latest news about your favorite crypto coins. In today's video, we are going to talk about why Tesla will soon accept Cardano as a payment. If you want to find out more, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. As Tesla is loosening up its ties with the world's leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin, there is a high probability for Cardano to become the next payment option for Tesla. So why has Tesla stopped taking Bitcoin as a payment? And will Tesla really accept Cardano as a new payment for its supercars? You're about to find out. After Tesla announced that it will no longer accept BTC as a payment due to environmental concerns regarding the excessive consumption of electricity and fossil fuels in BTC mining, Cardano has come forward to propose that Tesla and ADA could work together to solve the problem, as it is one of the most eco-friendly cryptocurrencies. The founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, has stated that ADA is one of the greenest and most eco-friendly digital assets, and Tesla should choose it if it really cares about environmental sustainability. In a recent interview, Charles highlighted many benefits of his proof-of-stake blockchain platform Cardano and said that proof-of-stake systems are much better and efficient in terms of energy consumption as compared to other blockchain platforms. Therefore, Cardano and ADA should be the first choice for Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. Charles stated, "If they truly care about alternative energy, sustainability, carbon reduction, and carbon neutrality, you can't be in a system where there is no built-in mechanism to constrain the energy consumption." But the important question is, what gives Cardano its value? Why do certain experts say this bull run will create ADA millionaires? Firstly, its scalability. Cardano uses RINA, which stands for Recursive Internetwork Architecture. When in optimum form, this architecture could make room for millions of transactions per second. This is an insane amount when you compare it to Bitcoin and Ethereum that only allows 7 to 15 transactions per second. Even the credit card agency Visa only allows 27,000 transactions per second. Therefore, Cardano truly has the potential to become a global currency. Secondly, Cardano has great operability. It aims to be the internet blockchains, meaning a blockchain that understands what happens in other blockchains. This means you can seemingly move assets across multiple chains without even needing an intermediate. Thirdly, Cardano has a very sustainable business model. Most cryptocurrencies raise capital through an initial coin offering to develop their company. But when this capital runs out, they cannot ensure that the development of their technology continues. Cardano has greatly solved this problem by creating a treasury. The treasury will receive a small percentage of every transaction that runs on the network. Developers can make an improvement proposal, which the Cardano community can vote on. If they accept the proposal, the developers get the funds from the treasury to make their innovations into a reality. Now, why would Tesla adopt Cardano? Well, there is a very good reason for it. A major concern for cryptocurrencies today is the large power consumed during crypto mining, and this is why Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin as a payment for its cars. According to research, it has been found that mining of cryptocurrencies consumes a lot of energy, which is causing the exhaustion of fossil fuels, as they are a major source of energy production. Let's talk about Bitcoin as an example. It has been estimated that one Bitcoin transaction takes up to 1,544 kilowatts of energy to complete, which is approximately equivalent to 53 days' usage of energy in an average US household. Now, that's a huge amount of power to consume for only one transaction. Fossil fuels used here are a major source of non-renewable energy in the world, with a high percentage of natural gas and coal. With their combustion, large amounts of carbon dioxide is produced and released into the environment, which in turn absorbs heat from the sun, causing a greenhouse effect. This is indirectly becoming a major concern for global warming. As mining rigs used to mine cryptocurrencies consume a lot of power, which means power plants have to generate enormous amounts of electricity. raising the likelihood of more fossil fuels being used in the process. Bitcoins are mined using the proof-of-work algorithm. Complex tasks are solved, and miners receive bitcoins as a reward for solving the tasks. This process is accompanied by high power consumption, a fact that Tesla cannot tolerate if it wants to continue to be considered a pioneer in the world of green mobility. Cardano, on the other hand, works with the much more environmentally friendly proof-of-stake process. However, Elon Musk recently stated that Tesla would accept Bitcoin again if at least 50% of Bitcoins were to be mined through renewable energy. Due to increasing awareness surrounding environmental concerns, Elon Musk, Tesla and SpaceX CEO, seems to have come to the same conclusion and tweeted on May 12th that his company Tesla would suspend the acceptance of Bitcoin as a payment for its cars. He tweeted, "Rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel." He also added, "Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment." Seeing the opportunity, Hoskinson stated that Tesla should focus on adopting the greenest cryptocurrencies such as ADA, and not energy-consuming coins like Bitcoin. According to him, apart from eating away at enormous amounts of power, Bitcoin also lacks many other qualities. He pointed out that Bitcoin is the least programmable of all the cryptocurrencies, and if you want to do interesting, sexy, and unique things, there's just no real way to do that. Seems like Hoskinson not only evaluates Cardano over Bitcoin, but he also criticized Ethereum by calling it an overrated cryptocurrency, which lacks many vital qualities. He mentioned 3 significant reasons why he thinks Cardano is better than Ethereum. Hoskinson said that Cardano can operate with metadata and also with automated regulation, whereas Ethereum only works on smart contracts. According to recent reports, Cardano's smart contract update will allow blockchain developers to work with collectibles, auctions, and crowd-funded use cases. Input-Output Hong Kong, or IOHK, has recently announced the launch of Alonzo Blue 2.0's testnet for Cardano, leading it to smart contracts and bringing the cryptocurrency one step ahead. Secondly, Ethereum has never coordinated or worked with the local governments of developing countries to benefit its citizens, while Cardano has already done that in countries like Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Georgia. The Cardano Foundation has teamed up with Save the Children and @COTI Network in order to use ADA in their donation model. The foundation further said that their engineering partners at IOHK are assisting Ethiopia to improve its education system by providing education and employment opportunities nationwide. Lastly, Hoskinson stated that Ethereum has a really confusing structure, and the upcoming update ETH 2.0 will lead to the end of the entire network. He stated this in the following words: "First of all, Ethereum is killing itself. They're replacing Ethereum with Ethereum 2.0. In the end, ETH 2.0 will kill ETH 1.0. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? And what do you think about Tesla accepting ADA tokens? Do you think Elon Musk is giving it a thought too? And how is this partnership going to benefit both the companies? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.